linear image you can see on the screen depicts how our industry looks to arrive at the optimum solution for a project. This process is quite challenging as you can only test a limited number of variables at one time. Thus, you tend to find that you are arriving at outcomes and then having to go back to the modelling to see how they interact with other variables. An example of this is the interplay between daylighting, ventilation and overheating. So at Chapman BDSP, we are developing a parametric modelling tool that will both shorten this process and enhance the data flow to arrive at the optimum solution, generally referred to as the sweet spot, at a much earlier stage in the design process. This is proving to be invaluable to one of our clients that is seeking to design a modular solution for housing, thus designing it once and building it often.
We are designing a home that is built to last but movable. And a core part of that is not just looking at how it's built now and the regulatory impact that it has on the design, but if it's got to move in the future, then it has to comply with future regulations. No one can crystal ball gaze and come up with the ideal solution, but we've got to future-proof it to a certain extent. And that to me is where the team here have really helped us understand how do you go about integrating best-in-class design now, but then also looking at how you go about retrofitting and thinking about those things in the future.
So Mohammed, how does this parametric modelling actually work?
It has the ability to look at multiple variables within a very large design space and optimize the design for a multiplicity of constraints and of objectives. Unlike having to optimize the design for daylighting separate to overheating, separate to energy consumption, we bring all of those onto the same digital platform and look at the geometry of a building and how it can perform best for daylighting, for overheating, for operational energy efficiency and even material efficiency within the same digital package using evolutionary algorithm.
So that parametric modelling is really critical to getting a very detailed understanding of something which is going to be designed once, then repeatedly built and improved.